Welcome back students. Now in this tutorial we will learn about how to connect this Power BI report with two more data sources that are being most commonly used. The first one is a MySQL database which is present in your local system, and the second one is Google Sheets. Like for example, if someone has shared a link to Google Sheet, a shareable link with you, and you want to connect this Power BI report with that Google Sheet, you can perform it using this get data option. Now let's start with the SQL Server option. We will go to more, we will go to the databases, we will select SQL Server database and click connect. Once we click connect, it will ask for the server name and the database that we want to import. We will go to the SQL Management Studio. You need to make sure that you have the SQL Management Studio installed. You need to copy this server name, come back here and paste it in the server name. Next, you need to go to the databases section and write the name of that database which you want to import. Like for example, if I want to import this hospital management data set, I will copy the name of it, come back here and click and paste the name of that database here. Once I do it, I will just click OK, and it will load all the data from that database into this Power BI report. Now you see we have 6 different type of tables in that database. We have the doctors table, the lab table, the lab tests table. You can select those tables which you want to import. In this case, I will import only the first four tables for the purpose of demonstration. So I will click load, and it will load those 4 tables into my Power BI report. Now you can see in the data section we have the doctors table, we have the lab table, we have the lab tests table and the patient table. So that's how you connect the Power BI report with an SQL data source. The second type of connector that we will learn in this tutorial is the Google Sheets. We will again go to get data, write Google Sheets, click Google Sheets and click connect. Once you click connect, you will see that it is asking for the Google Sheet URL that is being shared with you, which in this case is this one. I will just copy it, paste it and click OK. Once you click OK, you see that it is asking me that it has only one sheet. I need to select this one sheet and just click load. This will take a little bit of time because it is online and creating a live connection with the data source. So it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to load. We will wait for it to evaluate, and once it is evaluated, we will have successfully imported the data from Google Sheets into this Power BI report. Now, Power BI provides us with a high number of to data from the HubSpot option, Word database option of files, from the JSON files. There are a huge number of connectors that are available in Power BI. Now it is loading data to the model. And you can see it has started loading the rows into our Power BI report. Now you see it is saying that 52749 rows loaded with these errors. These errors are about the data type which we will cover in the next upcoming videos. I will close it, go to the data view section, and we can see we have the main report data loaded. We have the lab tests we have loaded from the SQL. We have the lab data set, the doctor's data set, and the patient table. So that's how you connect different data sources with Power BI. Thank you. See you in the next video.